So, the most important thing about building a shower is to have some sort of knowledge in waterproofing. The two components that most always result in a shower failure are the shower pan and shower curb. This shower here had one of the most important components missing in the shower pan and shower curb: a hot mop, vinyl pan liner, or Kerdi membrane running from the pan transitioning up the walls, as well as a drain that failed because it was not sealed. Check out this dumb mistake and this massive shower failure. Well, there it is. That came off really easy. A lot of problems here. 1/4-inch backer board.
That's a problem. No pan liner.
How funny is that? So it looks like we don't have a pan liner here. So more than likely, they use RedGuard as a pan liner. So we'll pull this, see what it looks like under here. Screws every 18 inches, 1/4-inch board. Let's pull these walls off. So you can see how spread out these drywall screws are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 up there. Coming off real easy. Here's the curb. It looks like they installed bricks and mortar. And once again, there is no pan liner. No pan liner. They used RedGuard as a pan liner. So it's a float under here with RedGuard. And you can see it from this angle also. It's got to be one of the easiest curbs we have ever removed. So there's the grid, 1/4-inch hardy backer, right here, RedGuard, and then their float. Let's see how easy this float comes up. There you have it. A lot of mistakes.
Look at that. You can see the water, dude.
Oh, is this soaked in there? Masks are on. I'll try to talk as clear as possible. Soap got soaking wet here. I don't know how. There we go. No pan liner, 3-piece drain, so water was just flowing underneath, soaking up all of the framing, the subfloor. It did wake up the walls, and this is all black mold, will be removed. We're going to remove this, let everything dry out, replace the subfloor. Bad shower build right here, all across the board, from the walls to the pan. This is not how you do a shower. Completely saturated subfloor.
This is salvageable for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Well, there you have it, folks. A massive shower failure. So many things done wrong with this shower. 1/4 inch hardy backer on the walls. No waterproofing on the walls. No waterproofing in the pan. No pan liner, 3-piece drain. The entire subfloor is rotted out. The framing is rotted out. This is going to be a pretty penny. A big change order for this client. Unfortunately, he had somebody build the shower incorrectly, so a lot of information out there online on how to correctly build your shower and how to waterproof it. Sad story, but here it is. Headed to Home Depot, pick up some very expensive wood subfloor framing. It's time to rebuild this shower back, guys. Here we go.